Hello and welcome to today's Where's the Trade. My name is Joshua Bellinger of OptionSizzle.com, and today we're going to take a look at Walter Investment Management Corp. It's probably a stock that you're not familiar with, but with unusual option activity, these are the ones that come on the radar, and because they're not that heavily followed, when we see positioning and track that positioning, these are the ones that we want to keep an eye on. So let's take a look here at the option activity, and let's go down to the March contracts here. So March expiration is in 8 days. Today there was a buyer of these March 50s. However, I picked up buyers in this one yesterday. So there is a strong accumulation going on, and the open interest is likely going to increase into about 2,000 contracts, if not more. So taking a look here, and if we go down to the time and sales, we uncheck the filter here, you could see that the top contract was 420 that traded on the Philly exchange at 25 cents when the market was 20 by 25. Now if you look at some of the other trades here, you could see another block of 400 traded at 30 cents. So that gives us a good indication that these are being bought. Now you don't have access to yesterday's prices, but these were being bought at the same price as well. And with that, what could be the catalyst? There's 8 days to expiration. Now we want to try to figure out what's going on here. Well, there's earnings going on next week, and if we take a look here at the chart, one of the things that I like a lot here is this pattern. So we just take a little pattern here and just make our simple trend lines of resistance and support. You could see here it's been coiling, and if you look at this chart, and you don't really need the volatility to show on the chart here, but there's a volatility squeeze in the process here. So as of how it looks and what the positioning is, it looks to be going into earnings here, which are on 3/11, that there's a strong bullish case here. If we take a look back at these options, you see that there's no volume traded here. So this is pretty much an all or nothing kind of trade, and it makes it a little bit difficult to get a position on. I think when you look at these 45s here, I think that could be the position or the trade you might want to look at. However, that's going to require some money, and that will also, you would want to also look to own these stock if you're looking at it. So if you look at these levels here, you want to look at a level that you can do it. But if you want to risk some kind of premium, you can look to play it with the March 50s or try to get into another option, but you can see how wide the spreads are. So that's the video for tonight. If you found the information to be valuable, please share it with at least 3 people. The information that I provide to you, I look to help guide you, and it is free of cost to view it, but it does take me time. So I appreciate it if you were able to share it, if and only you had found any value in it.